At World Class Teams, we believe your people will either make you or break you, that complacency is the enemy, and that creating a world-class team is the best way to grow your business. The end of this year just can't come soon enough, can it? We've had a tough year, all of us. Everyone's exhausted, and yet we know that there's still such an important aspect to have, and that is to celebrate the end of this year with your team. As leaders, you know how important it is for your team to feel appreciated and valued, and that celebration is an important aspect of that. We also know, of course, that we can't have the celebration that we've usually had. And it's interesting that many leaders and managers I've spoken to have been saying, yeah, we know it's really important, but you know, what can you do? We just can't do anything this year because of COVID. Well, actually, that's just not true. We can't do what we've usually done, but absolutely we can celebrate the end of the year. And to be honest, it's more important this year than probably any other year we've had. Your staff need to feel valued, they need to feel appreciated, they need to know that you care, that this has been a really difficult year for everyone and that they're exhausted and drained just like everybody else. If we look back over the GFC, I remember a couple of clients that we had then. Both clients had end of month barbecues on a Friday afternoon. Along came the GFC. One client said, sorry, we obviously can't do barbecues anymore, and left it at that. The other client said, sorry, we can't do barbecues anymore. So what we're going to do is give each team a limited budget, and that team will be responsible for the monthly Fridays. You can guess where the culture was better. You can guess where there were people going the extra mile from that point on. In fact, there's a saying that says, we go where we are wanted, we stay where we're appreciated. Whenever things are tough, that appreciation is so much more important than when times are just pretty cruisy. We see similar happenings in the last couple of weeks with Year 12 formals. Poor students in Year 12. It's been a really tough year, we know, for them, from learning online, from having all of their celebrations gone, and then school formals coming back, albeit in a different way. And it's been so great to see schools and students planning that formal and having the time of their lives in a way that was appropriate to celebrate right now. So I hope you've got your celebration planned with your team, and if you don't, get planning really quickly, because this is the year when they really need to feel appreciated, when they need to know just how much you care, when you need them to go away to the festive season. Of course, we know they're going to be exhausted, but they need to go in feeling valued, feeling that what they contribute has been appreciated, so that when they come back in 2021, they'll feel rejuvenated, feel really proud of the company they work for, and be looking forward to a 2021 that we all hope is going to be a whole lot better and certainly more predictable than 2020. Celebrate well, have some fun, and stay safe.